Hi, Michelle here with StrawBearie.com, and I am on vacation, and I have been making dozens of the cutest little cards, and I would like to give some out to some of the friends that I've made and like to my Airbnb host, but I did not bring envelopes. So I need to create some envelopes without a punch board. So I will show you how I do it. When you need an envelope for a card and you don't have one, all you need is a sheet of paper. You are going to measure your card on the diagonal from one corner to the opposite corner. I don't even have a ruler with me, so I am using my paper trimmer to measure from corner to corner. This is an A2 card, or 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and from corner to corner it is 7 inches. So I add 1 inch to that, and that means that I need a piece of paper that is an 8 by 8 square. So I'm going to take this paper that actually matches part of the card, and I'm going to cut it to 8 by 8. I like to put the pretty part on the inside so that you have just a plain white envelope for the mail. You're going to take it and you're going to put it on the diagonal. You're going to set your card on top, and you want to kind of center it so you have about the same amount of distance on each side of the card. Then you're going to fold the two up and down, and this is where I kind of like to make sure that I am not crooked, that my points are kind of reaching towards each other. Okay, so, and I'm going to crease that, and then I'm going to pull that one down. I'm going to crease that. Then I'm going to take my fingernail and I'm going to crease right here at the edge, because this is 2 layers. You can use paper or cardstock to make your envelope, whatever you have. Just makes it easier if you crease right there, and then fold that one up and fold that one up. Then I'm going to unfold the whole thing, and now I'm going to go and reinforce all of my folds. And you could use a bone folder, but I'm on vacation and I didn't bring a bone folder, so I'm using my tape runner because that's what I have. You just need something that you can use to press those down. Okay. Now, when you turn it over, I think it's easier to see all of your fold lines, and you will see little triangles. You're going to cut out these little triangles. Now, you can just do it straight like I am, or if you want to get fancy, you can try to round it off a little bit. The choice is yours. But just cut those little triangles out. And now you can see that we have an envelope. I'm going to put my card back in just to make sure that my size is going to be okay. I'm going to do my side flaps first, and I'm going to put a little tape runner here. You could use tape runner, you could use score tape, you can use wet glue, whatever you have. Then fold that top part up, and then you have your envelope. Now, if I'm ready to mail this, I can just put some adhesive on the top flap, and there you go. Quick and easy way to make an envelope without a punch board when you don't have it with you and you need an envelope. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. In the comments below, please tell me where you are going on vacation. If you're going on vacation, or the last place you went on vacation. I'd love to know about your vacations and your travels, or even if you're having a staycation. And do you bring craft supplies when you're out on vacation? Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'd really appreciate it if you would hit that like button. It really helps out my channel. And have a super awesome day. Toodles!